Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Performance Max campaign. First, log into your Google Ads account and click the New Campaign button. Next, you'll choose your campaign objective, like driving sales or generating leads. Then, select Performance Max as your campaign type. This powerful option allows your ads to run across all of Google's channels, including Search, Display, YouTube, Gmail, and Discover, maximizing your reach and potential conversions. Now, let's talk about your budget and bidding. Set a daily budget that aligns with your marketing goals. A good starting point is often around $10 to $20. For bidding, focus on maximizing conversions or conversion value to get the best return on your investment. Finally, specify your target locations and languages. This ensures your ads reach the right audience in the right places, optimizing your campaign's effectiveness and minimizing wasted spend. Next, we'll build your asset groups. These are crucial for Performance Max. You'll need to provide a variety of high-quality headlines, descriptions, images, and videos. Aim for at least 5 unique headlines, 5 compelling descriptions, and 20 diverse images per group. Then, add audience signals. These signals, like custom segments or your own customer data, help Google's AI understand who you want to reach, improving targeting and campaign performance significantly. Before launching, take a moment to thoroughly review all your campaign settings. Double-check your daily budget, bidding strategy, and ensure all asset groups are complete with high-quality content. Confirm that all required assets, such as images and videos, meet Google's specifications to avoid any delays. Once everything looks perfect, you can launch your campaign. Remember to monitor its performance regularly and make adjustments as needed to achieve your desired results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.